Flush mount taillights have been super popular recently, and luckily for all of our 15 to 17 F-150 owners, Oracle Lighting has made a taillight for you. Now these taillights are pretty sweet. They have an integrated LED light that wraps all the way around the assembly. We have a high-powered reverse light, which they're not joking at all. That little reverse light is super bright. And then on top of that, we have sequential turn signals as well. When comparing these taillights to a factory taillight, the first thing you're going to notice is that these are lensless, which really help with that flush mount look. And another thing I want to point out, it doesn't matter if your Ford F-150 was equipped from factory with LEDs or equipped with no LEDs. These taillights are going to work either way. Now, another really cool thing to point out is the fact that you can actually disassemble these taillights and take out all these black pieces here and then paint match them to your truck. I haven't seen many other taillight companies do that yet, so I think that's a pretty cool feature in itself. As far as the install goes, it's super easy, so let's go ahead and jump into it. First thing we need to do is take out 2 of these 8mm bolts. Once you have that out, you can remove the taillight. Then just start disconnecting the plugs in the back. And we do have one extra plug here because these aren't factory taillights, they are aftermarket. So you won't have this one here. At this point in the install, if your F-150 is equipped with LEDs from the factory, you're going to want to swap over the bliss from the factory taillight to the Oracle taillight. But if your truck is not equipped with LEDs from the factory, you're simply just going to keep this resistor on. There's going to be this harness in here for our Oracle harness to match up with our Ford harness. And all we got to do is plug that in, just like this. Push down that tab there, make sure it's locked in place, and then plug it into the connectors on the truck. You'll hear a click once they're all the way in. And then what you'll want to do is just grab some double-sided tape for the resistor and just kind of stick it here on the shell of the F-150. Now that we're wrapped up with both sides, let's see how these taillights look. Here's our taillight. Now our turn signal. And last but not least, our high-powered reverse light. Well, we're all wrapped up on installing these flush mount taillights on our 17 F-150, and I gotta say, these Oracle lights look absolutely killer on it. I love the fact that they're flush mount, so now we have nothing sticking out away from the bed, and that reverse light is super bright, so we should have no problems with backing up at night. If you want to purchase these lights, go ahead and click the link down below in our description, but it's time to drop a gear and disappear, and I'll catch you on the next one.